my question is just to try to understand how that fits with the entirety of the universe. You're saying that there's a region of this universe that allows enough complexity to create creatures like us, but what's the connection between the brain, the mind, and the broader universe? Which comes first? Which is more fundamental? Is the mind the starting point? The universe is emergent. Is the universe the starting point? The minds are emergent.
I think quite clearly the latter. That's at least a much easier explanation
Yeah.
because it allows us to make causal models. And I don't see any way to construct an inverse causality.
So, like,
I mean,
what happens when you die to your mind's simulation?
my implementation ceases. So basically, the thing that implements myself will no longer be present.
Got it.
Which means if I am not implemented on the minds of other people, the thing that I identify with. The weird thing is I don't actually have an identity beyond the identity that I construct. If I was the Dalai Lama, he identifies as a form of government. So basically the Dalai Lama gets reborn, not because he's confused, but because he is not identifying as a human being. He runs on a human being. He's basically a governmental software
Right.
that is instantiated in every new generation anew. So his advisors will pick someone who does this in the next generation. So if you identify with this, you are no longer a human and you don't die in the sense. So what dies is only the body of the human that you run on.
Yeah.
To kill the Dalai Lama, you would have to kill his tradition.